Okay, children, now in this video, I will discuss with you one sample essay which will help you to write good essays. Okay, now see, but here I had discussed one question with you earlier, and the answers given here. The first line should be here. The first line, the very first line of your essay should start from the word, the line actually, I totally agree or disagree. So here, I totally disagree with the statement that cinema doesn't entertain and educate the masses. Again, I'm repeating, but here I totally disagree with the statement that cinema doesn't entertain and educate the masses. Now, but I come here, introduction. The way I said to you, today cinema is by no means a source of entertainment, and it certainly does not educate the masses. Today, cinema houses are packed with either low class people or with anti social elements that go to a cinema only to pass comments, tease the fairer sex, or to pick a fight. Today, no decent, respectable person wishes to go to a cinema to watch a movie. They would prefer not to have any entertainment at all than to go through the harrowing experience of being pushed around in long queues or to hear the abusive language used. Okay, but here the first line is like you have to take your stand, then give one introduction to the essay, to your viewpoint. Now, but the second part here, cinema is largely responsible for the depravity in society today. The vulgarity and the shameless exposure of the human anatomy have driven the teenagers towards forming an unethical society where all morals have been thrown out of the window. Violence packed films have given a new meaning to violence in society. Today, teenagers walk about with guns in their pockets, ready to implement what they have witnessed on the silver screen. But here meta means the blue screen of TV. Okay, children have become disrespectful and disobedient. Okay, so here is the effect of the TV on children. There was a time when children were afraid of their parents and teachers, but today it is the other way around. Okay, so we have in the next paragraph we have discussed the the adverse effect of the TV on the children. Now, cinema is having a tremendous negative influence on society. Now, on society, earlier on children, now on society. It is not only teaching you how to commit the crime, but also how to dodge retribution successfully. Ideas are generated in the minds of the young and the reckless and then ruthlessly implemented. Clear, beta? Then beta come here. Third paragraph. Today, a poster displaying a man holding the national tricolor would hardly draw an audience. Would hardly draw an audience, no matter how good the plot, means a story, and the picturization of the movie may be, but a skimpily clad beauty would draw enormous crowds even if the movie has no plot. Okay, they only go for the beauty. Such is the change cinema has brought about in the taste of the audience. Movies with nudity, nakedness, and violence sell, while movies on patriotic themes or religious themes become super flops. Now, beta, people like all the vulgar stuff, not religious and patriotic themes. Cinema has thus played a major role in the degradation of the society and must not be considered means of entertainment or education for the masses. So here in the last bit of paragraph we have concluded like our viewpoint, and we are still standing on our notion that cinema doesn't educate and entertain the masses. Okay, so you see children, you have to copy down this essay in your notebooks also and try to frame other such essays in your notebook.